Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will see as to how to download and install NetBeans and Tomcat. Let's download NetBeans and install it. Go to NetBeans site, https netbeans.org/downloads. Choose a bundle that says Java EE or all. Note that both the bundles have Apache Tomcat. Click on the appropriate button to download. Install NetBeans by clicking the downloaded file. Go to https netbeans.org/downloads. You'll see this particular page. You can see many files. What we need is one which has Apache Tomcat. So we'll be choosing one of these which has got it. One is this Java EE or the one which says all. So we will choose one which says Java EE and then say download. NetBeans setup file is downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, you can click on it and NetBeans is going to be installed. We have installed NetBeans on Tomcat. Note that we don't have to install Tomcat again because we have chosen a bundle of NetBeans that includes Tomcat. We can start our project from the next video. Bye for now.